To get name tag in Minecraft, you'll first want to prepare an anvil so you can rename it later. Crafting an anvil requires a lot of iron. You need 3 iron blocks, which each take 9 iron ingots, plus 4 additional iron ingots, for a total of 31 iron ingots. Iron ingots are made by smelting iron or in a furnace using coal as fuel. Once you have the materials, open your crafting table and place the 3 iron blocks across the top row, 3 iron ingots across the bottom row, and the final iron ingot in the center. Take the anvil from the output slot once it's crafted. It's important to know that name tags cannot be crafted in Minecraft. They can only be obtained in a few ways, such as fishing, trading with villagers, or finding them in loot chests. One common method is fishing. To do this, craft a fishing rod using 3 sticks and 2 pieces of string, or combine 2 damaged fishing rods to make a usable one. Cast your line into a body of water and wait for the bobber to dip underwater while hearing a splash, then reel it in. Name tags are rare, so expect to catch a lot of fish and other items first. Using the Luck of the Sea enchantment can improve your chances. Another reliable way to get a name tag is by trading with villagers. If you find a village and have enough emeralds, this can be faster than fishing. Simply interact with a villager and check their trade offers to see if a name tag is available. Once you have a name tag, place an anvil, rename the tag using experience levels, and then use it on a mob to give it a permanent name.